welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited to let you guys know that I am partnering up with Sigma Beauty, because guess what, you guys? Not only you guys know that I am like super huge fan of their Sigma Wicked Gel Liner, but now they came out with two new additions to the family, which is their Wicked Liquid Pen and also their Wicked Longwear Eyeliner Pencil. So here we have the two little guys. These are the two new additions to the family, the Wicked family. And let me show you guys a little swatches of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch for you guys first the pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here so you guys can see how super black they are. So there's that one. And now I'm gonna go ahead and swatch for you guys the liquid pen. And then I'm gonna also do it super thick so you guys can like see how black this looks. So here is just one swipe of it, and then here's like several swatches of it, but as you guys can see, it's still super black. Doesn't matter if you do just one single swipe of this pencil liner, doesn't matter. It's still exactly the same pigmentation there. So these I absolutely love. So I'm obviously wearing them right now, as you guys can see. I did not use my gel liner in this video. I usually always do. You guys already know my routine. I use my Wicked Gel Liner and then a pencil on top. But for this tutorial, we'll be showing you guys how they actually perform on their own and how super black they still are without the gel liner. They are so amazing, and I'm gonna have a link down below to them so that way you guys can go check them out. Also, if you guys didn't know, their Wicked Gel Liner is actually one of their #1 selling makeup products. What can I say? I'm a huge fan of it. You guys have known me for so many years that I'm always using this gel liner, and if you guys have tried it because of me, then you guys already know it is the real deal, and it's like the best gel liner on the market in my opinion. I was actually using the pencil liner in previous videos. Like if you guys go back to some of my tutorials, you guys might just see the pencil liner in some of my tutorials, because I was actually like using it, testing it out, and I absolutely love it. I love the formula because of the fact that it lasts you the whole entire day without smudging. This is exactly how I applied the eyeliner, and the liquid pen is exactly how it's gonna stay for the rest of the day. So that is something amazing. They really did an amazing job on this formula, so that is why I absolutely love, and I'm so happy to be partnering up with them so I can like talk to you guys more about it. So without further ado, my loves, this is the look that I'm going to show you guys. This is like my everyday go-to glam. Whenever I'm like running late to an event and I have to do something super quick and glam, this is what I do all the time. I kind of like memorized exactly everything how I do it, so I'm really fast at doing it. I can probably do it within under 30 minutes. I'm not even kidding. But you guys will see like a lot of the product is already what I have already shown you guys, and I absolutely love. There's some like new products in here that I just recently started using and really love, so I incorporated them into my routine. You guys can change the lip color to whatever lip color you guys like, but you guys have seen some of my recent pictures. I've been rocking a red lipstick for the past couple of looks, and I don't know, I really love it. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the tutorial, but if you guys are still a part of the Birdie family, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to give me your guys' thumbs up. You guys know you guys help me with that. But yeah, so with that, I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get into this tutorial. Hi guys. So we're gonna start out with the eyes first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Laura Mercier concealer in the shade 2W. You guys know that right now recently I've been loving this concealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my entire lids and then blend it out. For my palette, I'm going to be using Dominique Cosmetics, the Latte palette. As you guys can see, it's all beat up. I've been using the crap out of this palette, you guys, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but I use it pretty much every single day now. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use this palette for my eyeshadows today. So the first one that I'm going to take is Caramel, this one right here. So I know you guys are saying like, oh my gosh, she's going to do another neutral look, but I just want to show you guys like what has been like my go-to glam look, you know what I mean? So this is pretty much what I'm gonna show you guys. I do want you guys to let me know what colorful looks you guys want me to do for the spring and summertime. So if you guys can leave that in the comments down below, I would really appreciate it. Because I feel like I'm gonna start doing a lot of color looks now, just because I don't know, I've been feeling inspired. But like I said, right now this has been just my everyday like go-to glam look. Just when I have like I need to go quickly to an event or something and I don't know what look to do, this is like the look I go for. Then I'm gonna grab a little bit of pumpkin spice and also start warming up or deepening the crease a little bit, just little by little. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this with my A25 and also apply this on the crease. So now I'm gonna take my blending brush again and go back and make sure that everything is well blended out. Just going back and forth with this. So now what I'm gonna do, now that I'm done blending that out, with that same brush, I'm taking a little bit of hazelnut. So we're gonna start deepening the outer part. So I'm gonna just tap out the excess and then just start placing this on the outer part. Working it into our crease. So now I'm going back in there with my first blending brush again and just making sure everything's blended out again. Now with a pencil brush, I'm going to take this deep brown called Mocha. And I'm going to also apply this on the outer part and then take our A25, the one that we applied hazelnut with, and then just blend that out. So like I said, we're just going to place this on the outer part. And like I said, you can blend it out if you want to with your pencil brush, but I just feel like it's so much easier if you were to take your previous brush that we applied hazelnut with and blend it out. I'm just literally just placing this color here, trying to concentrate it as much as I can only on the outer part. That way once we start blending it out with the other brush, it can go a little bit into our crease like this one. So now I'm going to take a little bit of hazelnut with the A25, and like I said, I'm going to start blending out the edges, making sure that especially on the outer part of the eye, it's well blended out, and then dragging it little by little into the crease. So now taking my favorite lid brush, this one is the Sigma E58, I'm gonna go ahead and dip my brush. I usually go in between this one and this one. I don't really use this one a lot. I just feel like it looks a little too smoky for my liking. But macchiato and creme brulee are so beautiful. So I think what I'm gonna end up doing is taking creme brulee, because this is the one that I literally use the most. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and apply this all over my lid. So it's already pretty as is, but I also do take the Makeup Forever Start Lid palette. Ever since Max gave me this palette, I've been like so obsessed with it, especially with just this color right here. It's just like the perfect shadow glitter. Like, I don't know, it's kind of interesting, this palette, because it does have like sparks of glitter in it. But I take this one that is called Spark, and I literally apply this in the lid where I have applied my eyeshadow. I hope the camera is able to capture what I'm talking about, but it just makes it sparkle a little extra. So I just applied it on top of this eye. I just, before I like show you guys me applying it, but like I hope the camera captures this, but in person you can definitely tell this shines a little bit more than this one. It's just pretty. So now for the start of the show, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sigma Wicked Liquid Pen Eyeliner. This is how it looks like, you guys. It has a really thin felt tip, and this is actually gonna allow you to get that really precise winged effect and all. You can make it super thin, super thick if you want. It's just like literally the perfect little pen. So I love this. I'm gonna use it on its own so you guys can get the real deal of like what it looks like just to use it on its own. It's part of the Wicked family, so you already know it's gonna be super pigmented. Also, the good thing is that you guys are gonna see that it dries down really quickly. So as you guys can see, there I have my line. And as you guys can see, it does dry down really quickly, so you don't have to be sitting there. Like, it's like a really quick dry formula, you know what I mean? So that's also something that I like. There you go, you guys. There's my wing liner. And as you guys can see, like, it's super precise. You don't have like a really thick point or something. Like, you can literally customize it however you want. Like, this is such a good pencil. But as you guys can see, it looks super black, and it did the job by itself. I didn't need my Wicked gel liner because, I mean, it's part of the Wicked family. I can probably use it just on its own all the time, but you guys know me. I like my little ritual that I have going on where I use the gel liner and then the pen, but like I said, you can totally like rock it on its own. I'm literally so freaking excited that they came out with the liquid pen and now the eyeliner pencil, because obviously we need it all in our lives. Who am I kidding? So now I'm gonna apply my Sigma Wicked Longwear Eyeliner Pencil. This is what it looks like, you guys. Let me show you guys the other one. Like, the other one that I had is completely beat up. Where is it? So this is my old one. I even have a different cap on it because of the fact that, you know, like, I was using it so much that I completely forgot where I left the lid. That's a really bad habit of me. Like, I always open up everything and forget to clean up after myself. This eyeliner, you guys, I've been using it in tutorials, you guys, and you guys probably have not even noticed it, but it's super good. It's super black and pigmented. Like, it's crazy, out of this world. And not to mention, it's not gonna move. It's gonna stay on your waterline. It's not gonna be like, you know, smudging or anything. Unless you wanted to, you can take a brush and it'll easily like create this smoky effect. You guys will see in my lower lash line in a sec. But literally, this is the best eyeliner pencil on the market right now. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my waterline. You guys are gonna see like how freaking pigmented this is. Like, do you guys see how freaking black this is? Like, it's literally my Wicked Gel Liner in a pencil form. So you cannot go wrong with this eyeliner whatsoever. I always close my eye to get the top because I can never keep it open. Also, the thing that I absolutely love is that you can just twist it up. So literally you can twist it up, it goes up, 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 up. I'm not gonna go too high because I obviously do not want it to break off because this is like my baby right now. Super creamy, super black, pigmented, is gonna last you all day. That's all you need to know. You guys need it in your life. So I'm gonna prepare my lashes for right now, and then while we move on to the face so I can do my lower lash line and everything. So for my mascara, I'm gonna use my Elsie Lashful Mascara. I've been obsessed with this mascara, so I'm gonna use this. And for my lashes, whenever I do a very glam look, I do go with my New Sim lashes, but the normal dramatic styles. You know how they have the mini ones, like the mini Bellas and the mini Dragon Lees? Well, I use the normal one. So this one is the style Dragon Lee. Whoa, wants to run out of its packaging, but this is Dragon Lee, so I'm going to use these for my lashes. So for my primer, I'm going to use the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. Ever since I first used it, literally fell in love with it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my face. And for my foundation, I'm also going to use the Pure Cosmetics Stick Foundation. I am using the shade, I believe it's called Golden Medium, I believe. It doesn't have the shade name on the packaging, which is something that kind of sucks, you know, because I easily forget stuff. But I think that is my shade. Something about golden and then medium. So I think it is golden medium, but it's really good. So I've been using the crap out of this foundations also since I first, you know, used it. It's super full coverage, so I love it. And of course, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier concealer. And of course, I'm going to use my Too Faced Peach Perfect Powder. So I'm going to apply this all over my entire face. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pop on my lashes. So while I let my lashes dry, I'm going to move on to my face again and warm it up by using my MAC Dark Golden Bronzer. I'm going to apply this on the sides of my cheeks and a little on the forehead. So now that my lashes are dry, I'm going to move back to my lower lash line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the dark brown eyeshadow. But before that, I am going to take my Wicked Longwear Eyeliner Pencil and apply this just a little bit underneath my lower lash line, and you guys are gonna see how good this is gonna smudge. It works all the time. So just a little bit. You see the separation right there? It's gonna blend out so good, you guys. So now with the pencil brush and like I said, the color Mocha, I'm gonna start smoking this out. All right, guys, so now do you guys see what I'm talking about? It looks really, really nice and smoky. Literally just apply a little bit of this eyeliner and then smoke it out with your darkest shadow, either black or a dark brown, and it's gonna look so beautiful. So now that we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. So now I'm gonna move on to my highlighter because I'm also gonna highlight the inner corner of my eye. So what I'm gonna use is the Morphe X Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette. I'm gonna use the color Vacation. These names though, they're so funny. So I'm gonna apply this on my inner corner of my eyes. If you guys seriously haven't picked up this highlighter palette, you guys are totally missing out. It's like so good. Now I'm going to take my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores blush. This is in the color Sweet Cheeks. I'm going to take a little bit of this and apply this as my blush. And before we move on to the lips, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows real quick using my Reina Rebelde brow pomade in the color Frida. Alright, for my lipstick, I would usually go with the nude, but lately I have been rocking a lot of red lipsticks. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one that is from ColourPop in collaboration with I Love Sarai. This is called Arriba. And the very last thing, my loves, is I'm going to go ahead and set it with my MAC Fix Plus. Alright, my loves, so now this is the final look. Literally went from 0 to 100 type of thing, you know, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, don't forget to give me your guys' thumbs up, and if you guys believe that we can and we will make a difference, don't forget to join the Birdie family by subscribing, and don't forget to hit that rainbow notification. That way every time you guys watch my videos, you guys can all be notified. But with that, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.
Okay.
I can't talk. Okay, all over my entire, not my entire face. What am I talking about? Just my cheekbones. And before we move, I just digged into my palette. Oh, I did it by accident. Ay, ay, ay. Es como si me partieron el corazón. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my Sigma Longwear. Ay, wait.
Póngase vergas. No fucking peace. Regreso sound like fuck. Tan pendejita que te ves.
Órale pues. Paloma. Oh, it's broken. This lipstick makes my teeth look so white. I'm gonna be like, hi. How you doing? I'm just kidding.